Now, in coronavirus-related news, the health ministry reporting a whopping 5,075 new coronavirus cases confirmed overnight. The infection rate likewise standing at an alarming 6%. Yet Israeli officials are still pushing for opening as much as is possible. ILTV's Chana Rifkin with more.
גל הדלתא שוטף את כל העולם כרגע וגם את מדינת ישראל. מדינת ישראל ניצבת בפני שיא התחלואה בשבועות הקרובים. מי שמתחסן מציל עוד עסק. מי שמתחסן מונע מעוד ילד לשבת שנה מול הזום. מי שמתחסן שומר על הבריאות של כולנו ועל הכלכלה ועל העתיד הכלכלי של כולנו.
Prime Minister Naftali Bennett visiting the Tel Aviv Sourasky Medical Center, reviewing how to best deal with the seemingly endless COVID-19 pandemic. And specifically, the premier looking to address the needs of Israel's medical professionals, this as infections continue to balloon beyond all expectations. Meantime, the head of the coronavirus task force for Israel's Arab community, Ayman Saif, warning that while Israeli Arabs comprise of just 10% of recent cases and 10% of serious illnesses, a rise in the number of large social gatherings and crowded events will negatively shift the tide. In fact, Saif saying that an undetected surge may already exist, missed by the relatively low testing rate in the Arab-Israeli sector. And Saif therefore calling on health authorities to increase efforts to educate the Arab and especially younger Arab demographic on the importance of vaccination. Now, as for education, another hot topic, the Israeli Health Ministry's chief scientist, Professor Avi Israel, heavily pressuring to ensure the school year begins in September as planned. Israel citing a British study claiming that schools are not hotbeds for infections. According to the report, prevalence of the coronavirus in UK schools was actually lower in June 2021 than during the fall of the previous year. Unfortunately, though, resisting the pandemic not the only problem with starting class on time. Menashe Levy, the head of Israel's principals union, reporting that the education system is understaffed by some 10,000 teachers, and the situation reportedly so desperate that many teachers are already teaching courses that they're not familiar with. It's still unclear how these issues will be addressed.